Welcome to VVRam Techtuts. In this video, we will see the C tokens and constants. Okay, and C token constants. Constants are like a variable. Expect that their values never changes during the execution once defined. C constants is the most fundamental and essential parts of the C programming language. Constants in C are the fixed values that are used in a program, and its values remains the same during the entire execution of the program. And if you see here the syntax for the constant values, the constant we represented constant, and after the data type and the type, and we give the value name, that means constant name we give here. And if you see example program, we included the standard input predefined libraries in the included, and after that we have the main function or program is started here. And if you see here, we represented give the constant, and after that the type of the whether it is a integer or character, we give the constant. So the type we give here integer, and the constant name we give that is side, and we assign the value to that one some constant 5 value. And in this we give the integer area, and we will perform this in the program. And the formula for the square is area is equal to side into side, and we print that one the area of the square, and the output is in the form of a side is equal to integer, as well as the area of the square is equal to integer, that means integer value. Okay, let us jump into the lab how it is. Okay, here we have that same that one, and how it is. Okay, we have the program C. Okay, it is test one I saved, and we included the standard input function output function. It will print the it takes standard input and the print standard output. We include the math function which performs all the math related function. We started the main function here. After that we started our represented our constant, and the we assign type is give the type integer, and after that the name of the constant integer, and we assign the value is 5, and we give the integer as the type of area, and area is equal to formula is s into s square formula, square area of the square formula side into side, right? S into s are given, and we ask to print this print to print ask we ask the print our C program, and the it will print the area of the square with the side. If this is the side, we ask to give that value is digit percentage d, and after that we ask to print the percentage d to print the area. Okay, it will print the side and area. Okay, let us see how it is. And it will not changes the while it executing the side value. Okay, that's we want to convey that one in this one. And first compile, there we have 0 errors. Okay, after that we will run, go to run and F10, and here you see here means the area of the square is 5, that means the area of the square is 25, and the side is 5, that means it is not changing its value while it executing. Okay, let us jump into our PPT. We can put the constant either before or after the type is possible. See here, the constant is put after the type, the integer or type. After we give the constant value and give the name to the constant, and we assign the value to that one. Okay, again it is the constant value before, and after we give the type, that means integer type, and give the value to the name of the constants. Here constant types in C program. In C program, the constants are divided into two types, and they are primary constant and secondary constants. In coming to primary constants, we have the numeric constants. They are integer constants and real constants. And character constants, we have single character constants and string constants and backslash character constants. Okay, and coming to the secondary constants, we have array, pointer, structure, union, and enum. We will see the secondary constants in the advanced classes. Coming to the primary constants, it depends on the sequence of digits, and the integers are of three types: decimal integers, octal integers, and hexadecimal integers. The decimal integers are the multiplicative of the tens, and 8 is the multiplicatives of octal is the multiplicative of 8, and hexadecimal is multiplicators of the 16. So we can say such manner. But decimal numbers, there is no point values. mm, Sorry, it is like a whole number. We can decimal integers we can say with multiplicative to 10. Okay, octal number, if we want to get from the decimal number to octal, convert the octal number, just make the do LCM with the decimal number. If you want to convert the decimal number to the hexadecimal number, just do LCM with the 16, and the output will be the hexadecimal integer. Okay, we give the sum here. We have some of the integers, which is 5 0 8 9 8 2 8, and these are the some of the constant integers. And real, coming to real constants, the numbers containing the fractional parts like 99.255 are called real. And the see here 99, after there is a decimal point, and after that we have those values, point values after 0.25. These are nothing but the floating points or decimal point numbers. Okay, fractional numbers we call. After decimal point, if we have any value, then it is called as the fractions, or called also called a float values. Okay, single character constants, it is a simply contains a single character enclosed within the single quotates. If any value within the single quotates or a pair of single quotes, it is called as a character constant. It is to be noted that the character 9 is not same as the that number 9. We will see that also in the how it is different from character 9 is different from 9. And a character constant have a specific set of integer values, and they give the ASCII values. That means ASCII values, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. They give the values for the every character, and that is different. We see here we represented characters within the single quotate x9, and any value within the single quotate. Okay, mm, let us see the how the 9 is different from the character 9. Let us jump into lab. I save that program with the test, and Here I save the program with the test C. I included the standard input output libraries, and after console input output headers also, and we have the main function, and after that our program is just start here, and integer a is equal to 9, and after that we clear the screen, and we have print the integer is equal to 9, right? That means which is stored in a, 9 will be print here, and print f integer, we give the integer, but we given here output is to print the character. See, the value is how the 9 is different from the character 9. Okay, just control s, and compile, and everything, no errors, and it is good. And or press and we run our program. See, this is our output. Integer 9 is printed as a 9, and it is the character of the 9. That's what is the character 9 is different. So that means character 9 value is 57. If the integer or character of the 10, if you need, the value will be 58. What? It will be 58. Okay. If you want to print the character of a, it will be 97. If you see 97. Okay, I will show that one. What I want to tell is that copy, paste, and see here 8, sorry, a, and b, and here give 10. Okay, here you give some, here give 8, and here you give 9. Okay, control s, and compile this one. Okay, everything is fine. What I want to do here is that everything is same, but we included that the, we already know the this character of 9 we printed. Now we print character, included character 8 also. We will see what is the value of character 8, and we will see the character a and character b, what will be the values in our program. Okay, let us jump to execute and run our program. Press an F10 or run, and this is our output. Okay, integer 9 value is printed as 9, and integer 8 is sorry, character 8 is printed as 56, and character 9 is printed as 57, and this is the character a print as 97, and character b is print as 98. That means small a start with the 97, and small b is 98. What about the capital value of a values? Let us see, and paste, and we give here a capital A, and we give again capital, here we will give capital B. See how it is work out. What we are doing here is that execute, compile once, everything is fine. Again, what we are doing here is that we already included 8 to 9 characters, how it is working, and we see the 8 capital small b outputs 97, 98. It is 56, 57. We also see that character 8 and 9. Now we are seeing the character of the capital A and capital B, what will be the values. Okay, last two values is the capital A, capital B values, and let us run our program, and see here it is printed that capital A value is 65. Okay, capital A character is 65, capital B character is that 66. This way we the um, ASCII values are different. Every value character have C program some ASCII values. Okay, let us jump into our lesson and see the string. These are the sequence of the characters enclosed in the double quotates. That means any sequence characters are enclosed in a double quotates, those are strings. This may be includes letters, digits, special characters, and blank spaces. It is again to be noted that let us see here we have the within the double quotates v and single quotates v are different because double quoted v represents a string and it is enclosed within the pair of double quotates, whereas the small that v within the single quotates represents the a single character. Okay, that is the difference. If the any value represents within the quotates double quotates, then it is a string. If the any value represents within the single quotates, it is a character. Okay, there also we have constant backslash character constants. C supports some character constant having black slash in front of it. This list of black slash characters have a specific meaning which is known as which known to the compiler. They are also called termed as a escape sequence. Blackslash t is used to give a tab and \n is used to give a new line. Okay, see \constant. So here \b is a backspace and \n is a new line and \t is a horizontal tab and \v is a vertical tab. In this way we can use the \. Okay, \/ character constant. Let us jump into the our lab. Let us assume there is a new line is not there in every there. Let us see here we okay, we have like this. We think there is a \n is not there. Assume I am removing here within the two lines. What will going to be happen? We will what I want to convey is that it is here we don't have this \n is not there within the three lines. This line and the three lines we don't have \n. That means it is not go to the new line, and within the one line these all values are printed. That means three lines are printed in a single line. Okay, and let us execute that how it is. Compile, zero errors. Okay, now run. See here what will happen that the integer 9 is integer 9 and the second line and third line all are printed in a single line. That means it is not separating the print the line by line, whereas the down one the all are printed line by line. So all are within the one line printing mean it seems to be clumsy. If you want to see the meaningful line by line, then we use the \n. See, let us include a \n in the first line. In the same way we will enter \n in second line again, in third line also, and save, Ctrl S, and go to execute and compile. See, it is no zero errors. Now we will run our program. See, it is now it is seems to be good line by line. Okay, in this way we can use the \n and the \/ constants. Okay, Okay, thank you. Subscribe to our channel. We will see in the next video.